Without wasting any time, let's build a setup step by step. So first open a gold USD pairs and set the time frame to 15 minutes. Now let's install our first indicator. So click on the indicators and type a smart super trend. Click on this one. Now click on indicator settings and in the input menu change the ATR factor to 6. Then in the style section follow my steps. When the indicator indicates a long signal and the color of the candlestick is green, this long signal is valid. And whenever the indicator indicates a short signal and the color of the candlestick is red, this short signal is valid. So we can trade with this signal. Now let's check the strategy on gold 1 hour time frame. This long signal is valid because the color of the candlestick is green. And this short signal is also valid because the color of the candlestick is red. Now let's check it out on other time frames. This is gold 4 hour time frame. This long signal is a great valid signal at the best price. Let's get into the next signal. As you see, this indicator signals are super accurate and profitable. Let's get into the next one. Check out this long signal. %3 profit with this short signal, which is absolutely great. Now let's add the second indicator to our setup. So again, click on the indicators and type RSI-histo. Click on this one. This is how the second indicator looks on the chart. Now click on the indicator settings and in the style menu disable all options except for RSI Histo and RSI MA. Now in the RSI Histo part, change the color 0 and 1 green, and then color 2 and 3 to red. Whenever the histogram of this indicator is green, the long signal is confirmed. And whenever the histogram is red, the short signal is confirmed. For example, there's a short signal here, and this signal is confirmed because the histogram of the RSI Histo is red. And there's a long signal here, and the candlestick is green. For the confirmation, the histogram of the RSI Histo is also green, so this long signal is valid. Check out this short signal. There's a short signal here, but this histogram is green, so this short signal is not valid. Check out this long signal. This long signal is also invalid because the histogram is red. Now it's time to complete the setup and add the third indicator. So click on indicators and type black flag. And add this swing arm ATR trend indicator to the chart. Now click on indicator settings and in the style section follow my steps. Then in the input menu, change the trail type to unmodified and then change the ATR period to 200 and the ATR factor to 6. Now let's understand the meaning of the black flag indicator. So whenever the price action is below the black flag indicator and the indicator color is red, our short signals are confirmed. And whenever the black flag indicator is below the price action and the color of the indicator is green, our long signals are confirmed. Okay, the setup is finally ready now. Let's understand the trading rules. So for a buy signal to be valid, the following conditions must be met. First, the line signal should appear below the candle and the candlestick should be green. And second, the price action should be above the black flag indicator and the indicator should be green. And for the last condition, the histogram of the RSI histo indicator should be also green. So when all these conditions are fulfilled, our line signal is confirmed and we can place our buy order at the close price of our 3 candlestick. And our stop loss would be just below the recent swing low. And the take profit for this strategy would be 2 times greater than the risk. And for a sell signal to be valid, the following conditions must be met. First, a short signal must appear by the first indicator, which is super smart trend. And second, the price action should be below the black flag indicator and the indicator should be red. And for the final confirmation, the histogram of the RSI histo indicator should be red. So when all these conditions are met, our short signal is confirmed and we can place our sell order at the close price of our trigger candlestick. Our stop loss would be just above the recent swing high and the target would be 2 times greater than the stop loss. Now let's check it out, some trading examples. There's a long signal here, but because the price action is below the black flag indicator, this signal is not valid. So now let's do our backtesting for 100 trades to see how the strategy works on the different market conditions. So here's the strategy after taking 100 trades. The win rate of our strategy was 83%. We could increase our balance by 332% within just 11 weeks. And during the backtesting, we had 6 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. So overall, the strategy worked pretty great. By the way, if you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, stocks and forex, check out this video right here.